Hi, I'm Dr. Kumar T. Vadivel. I am a board-certified periodontist. I want to talk to you about the benefit of green tea and the health of your teeth. More than 1,500 studies have been conducted that reveal that green tea is good for your teeth and gums. It has been found that the tea's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant qualities help protect your teeth from unwanted bacteria and tooth decay. Controlling the bacteria levels in your mouth is necessary to prevent tooth decay and gum disease. Periodontal disease is a serious problem among many people. More people lose their teeth due to this disease than for any other reason. Green tea has been found to be able to reduce the effects of this disease and to help control the bacteria involved. When compared to a popular antibacterial mouthwash called chlorhexidine in a study, green tea was found to be an acceptable substitute. The study also mentioned that there was no evidence of any side effects. Two vitamins that are known for their antioxidant qualities are vitamin C and E. Green tea contains antioxidants that are about 30 times more powerful, which helps to control the start of cancer. Green tea makes an excellent drink to add to your tools for better dental health. You do need to watch how much sugar you put in it, though, because sugar promotes bacterial growth and puts more acid in your mouth. In spite of its benefits, it is not a substitute for seeing a dentist, who can ensure your teeth are in good shape.